Okay, so most of the dividing wall between those two bedrooms is done. Actually, it was a Jack and Jill room, but now we're converting it into 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna take from that receptacle. I'm gonna go ahead and push out electricity across there, here, and then here. We're gonna have 2 receptacles, one on this side and then one on the other side. So they'll have a total of 1, 2, and 3 receptacles right there. So it was a pretty tough day, but between me and my wife, man, we got it done.